Hello everyone, I'm here today to review the Zetta Max IR camera. So let's go ahead and start by taking a look at everything that it comes with. So of course, first things first, we'll have the USB charge cable. And then we have the camera itself. So you notice right there on the face, that's the actual camera lens and what it'll be able to see through. On that side, we'll have our USB charge port, we have our toggle switches, as well as our SD card slot and our power switch. Here we have our USB wall plug, so that allows us to plug it in for consistent power, and of course the manual. Now, let's take a look at how to get it set up. So what we want to do is first download the Zetta Widget app. You can get this directly from our website on the product page. From here, you can set up your date and time. You have all sorts of different internal settings, whether or not it's a custom or express. The options are endless. And now let's go ahead and take a look at how to review. So let's open up our File Explorer app and then locate this PC and of course the drive itself. From here, double click on the Zetta folder and we can then see our recordings. So here I'm just showing you a brief little example, and I'll briefly show you how to save it as well as delete the information off the unit. So now let's go ahead and take a look at a demonstration. This is a quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is a quality demonstration at 20 feet. Lastly, this is a quality demonstration with Zetta Max IR at 30 feet. And of course, if you guys did appreciate the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for future review videos.